we're here for breakfast in the morning, and it starts with these apple ginger carrot shots, which I'm drinking right now, and it's very tasty. And then here's the room. It's really nice in here. We have some juice. There's some more shots here. These are pineapple, banana, and honey. We have cereal. If you want to have a little salad. Some random meats, cheese. We might get into this. And then the hot bar. And then over here we have some pastries. These chocolate croissants. A vibe. Whatever this is over here. Oh, for the chickadees. And then a toaster if you want to warm up your bread. Breakfast is served. Good morning. No, it's in the building. We are on our way to a cooking class, a Thai cooking class. We were trying to catch a cab, but then the concierge at our hotel suggested we take public transportation, and our hotel has a free little tuk-tuk that goes to the train station. So we're there now. We actually have no idea what we're doing or how to get there, so this should be fun. Girl, so let's talk about how we were just in the tuk-tuk, right? And my hat flew off of my head and I screamed, right? Your boy, who is the driver, let's go. What is he doing here? Sorry. The driver most definitely stopped the car, backed up, walked into the middle of the street to retrieve my hat. Definitely paid that man double. We are in Chinatown, honey. Gang. Oh, excuse me, thank you. Oh, here we go. We literally just walking through Chinatown, and then we see another black woman, and she just starts, pretty much when we've been seeing black people, especially black women, we've just been saying hello at least. And shout out to Ambria, because she was just hella friendly, and then we're talking about meeting up later for dinner. So when you're out, if you see another black person, especially another black woman, be like, hey girl, what you doing? Where you from? Just an FYI for you, girl. Everybody, not everybody, but most people in Bangkok are capping. They're trying to, everybody be trying to charge you, so you overcharge. So you gotta be on your bargain. You gotta be like, no, I'm not paying that. How about this? And if they don't want it, walk away, go to the next one.